never slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams into modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fake.
So welcome everyone, welcome. So today is day 7 of building a social media application from scratch using FastAPI and React.js. So yesterday we have added a user bio, and we can also edit the username in the profile. So we have also made a dedicated profile page of a user. We will get all the user related details like the user bio, username, user email, as well as all the posts done by the user. And we have also fixed all the bugs related to that page yesterday. And also we have added a dedicated image choose image option. Earlier it was a URL. Right now we have made a dedicated choose image option. So since we have a choose image option, so now we can make a profile picture. We can choose our own profile picture. So let's make a profile picture today. So let's start the backend. First let's call the virtual environment and run the server here. What? There's an error? Oh, sorry. Where's the command? Yeah. Anybody in chat, can someone confirm, is my audio audible? I've made a few changes in my audio. So is it audible now? Or is it even worse than before? I've done a few tweaks in my mic output. Okay, so the backend is running. Let's run the front end. And let's run the front end now. Okay, so front end is running. So yeah, this is the feature that we had yesterday. We also have we can click the user to open the user profile. So this is the user profile and all the post made by the user. We can also edit the image here. This is the image. We can choose any file, suppose this, and we can save it. I think I should keep the save button below. We'll change it later. So yeah, wait a second. Isn't not changed yet? Let me check. Okay, so it's not refreshing. So there's a small bug here. I need to manually refresh the page to get the edited image. If I click save, then it's not updating. I need to refresh the page to get the update. So let's fix this update first. Let's this is the back end. This is the front end. Okay, let's open the back end. We have already got 2 likes. Nice. You can chat in the live chat if you want. If you want to suggest any features in the social media application, you can suggest me in live chat. Any feature or improvement. Right now we got a bug here, mainly in the front end. Where's the front end? Wait. So in front end, if we edit the image, it's not getting edited in real time. Let's check the what is a texture. Nice. If we edit the message, and there's one more issue. I think the second issue is I think the image should disappear if we click on choose file. But let's ignore this issue for now. So let's see. Great logo is still there, and if we refresh, nice. Okay, so it's not being updated in real time. Let's check the user first. User, let's write 1 1. If we save, yeah, it's also not updating. If we refresh, wait a second, it's not updating at all. Why? User 1 1, save, reset. Okay, so there's an issue in the user update here. Let's check this one. Okay, it is updating, but the user name is not getting updated. There's one more issue in the website. Okay, so name is getting updated in real time, but the sorry, bio is getting updated in real time, but name is not getting updated at all. US, something like that. If we save, even if we refresh, we cannot change the name. So let's try to fix the bug first. I'm right now thinking of making the whole website a green color because this is somewhat flash banging me, I think, because it's white and everything else is black. So let's make the website a little darker. So in pages, where the pages are, let's see. Pages, home page. Where's the actual color schema? Sorry, color setter. So this is text, this is BG. BG is black. Let me check whether this BG is working or not. No, it's a completely different thing. We are not using it. What is the color? I think we are not even using any color. It's automatic, or maybe, yeah, registration button only. In one place we are using color. If we use this function inside every page, like for example home page, if we use this instead of color, we can write bg color. Yeah, background color. Let me check. Will this change? No. Let me go to, yeah, it is changing. So this is I think the home page. How to change the entire color? Let me figure out. Or we can leave it for now. We will change it later. Color is not that important. Let's first focus on the logic. So yeah, let me check if we use this. Yeah, we are not getting the sorry, the user profile rate. Let's go back. Yeah. So here we cannot edit the username. There's a problem in editing the username. I cannot edit the username. And second issue is I cannot change the what do you say, post image and text in real time. I need to refresh the page to load it. Is there some error? Let me check. Go to console. There's no. It's not showing any error. Save. It's not showing any error, but it's not updating. Let me close this first. Okay, let's add this in the profile update. So let's go to, where's the profile update, by the way? Components, comment main. Let's go to profile page and handle like, handle save. I can use handle save, I think. Fetch profile, yeah, fetch post, handle save. Wait a second. Response, yeah, response data username, not user data. User data or username, yeah, we are getting the response. User.me, okay. So yeah, let's check the response once we click the save. So let's edit it. I am the maybe champ, and let's change it to 1 2 3 4. And if we click save, let me check with the console. User 1, I am the champ. So the profile name remains same. Username, sorry. Username remains same. Uh, User remains same, but I get updated bio. Okay. Uh, is it taking the wrong value? Where's the value? Let's open the profile. Edit name. Where's the edit name state? By the way, let's see the handle save. Okay. Username bio. Set profile user. Let me check the set profile. Set profile user. Set profile. Okay. Username and bio. So the save function. Let me check the save function. Yeah, handle save. Wait. Okay, we are getting the username and bio. After editing, we are the data. This response data is being set. So why the username is not changing? I'm not getting it. The username should also change. Maybe the value is wrong. Username, maybe the name is wrong. Let me check in the backend. User scheme model. Yeah, here's the user model. Username, yeah, username is correct. String of 50. Should I add this? No, this is the response schema, right? Response, user login schema, user register schema, token, user. Okay, so we are missing the user update, username in the user update. Okay, so we have updated it in the backend. Let me check. Let me run the server again. Oh, not this one. Clear. Okay. So the username was missing from user update from the backend. So let's open the front end again. Okay. So let's write 2. It's still not updating. Let me check the user 1. So what's the problem? Why there's still a problem? Let's check the user update route. Users, maybe users. Get single user, get post by user, update user profile. So let me check. Yeah, so it is updating the bio, but it is not updating the username. So data username. Somebody liked my stream but never came to chat. So current username, user data, or current. Okay, so if we yeah, this is important. I think we can also add this one here. Yeah. So if the bio is empty, no, bio can be empty. Nah, this is not needed in bio. If the bio is empty, it will return empty. Or if the username is empty, it will consider the previous username. Okay. Let's rerun the backend again. What is this? Clear. Let's rerun the backend again. So the bio was missing from the backend. That was the whole issue. 1, 2. Yeah. So it's updating in real time. So let's try to make the post update in real time, similar to edit user profile. So yeah, missing edit. What is edit username, schema, and route in backend. Yeah. So the schema and the route was absent from the backend itself. That's why we cannot update the username. Right now we have updated the code. So now the problem is in our edit post. Like, where's the edit post? Okay, I think in the postcard maybe. Yeah, update handle update. Yeah. So in the handle update, we need to update the state. I mean, in real time, if we change any post and if we click the edit button, save button, then the post should be refreshed without even clicking on refresh. So let me check what's the problem in the logic. Let me check here first. We can remove this. We are commenting this out because we may use this in future. Okay, set. So it's the same logic, I think. What's the problem here? Handle save. So why this is resetting, but postcard is not getting reset? Yeah, selected file will be null, and yeah, this is perfectly fine. Set image. Yeah, in image we are also need to set the image preview. Since we are setting the image preview, but no. Let me see. Let me open the code really quick. By the way, let me check the Discord. Okay, there is no live announcement. So pin code is not working right now. I had to fix this. Okay. So let's try to fix the refresh issue. Let's go here, code, practice, social media, front end, SRC. One is a component, comment component. No. What do you say? Let me before that. Let me check the comment. Let me check the comment. If we add comment and then let's write something. Wow, great. Let's write wow, great. Let's comment. If we edit our command, add exclamation and save. Yeah, comment is also saving in real time. So the problem is only in edit post. Practice, social media, front end, SRC, components, post, postcard, and the second one would be SRC pages, profile page. Dispatching, okay. So in postcard we are using Redux, but in profile we are using local state. Should I change the structure in profile code? Rendering from the post prop. Okay. Let's see the proper fix. Let's open the profile. Profile. Let's open the profile first. Where's the profile? Profile. Handle post update. Handle post update in profile. No, there is no handle post update in profile, of course. We need to go to the postcard. Okay. Why it's showing inside profile. Handle post update. It's again wrong. Handle post update. Let me check here. Why it's giving hypothetical. Well, wait a second. Yeah. So the problem is our profile is using local state. That's why it's automatically refreshing. But our update post is using Redux because we are making post feature from day one. So that's why our post is using Redux. Okay. Okay. So let's update the user profile in Redux. So we need to make new features now. But the Redux is name features. We can change the name convention if we want. So let's see the store. This is the XJS. Now let's find the store, app store. The naming convention is little wrong, I think. Let's forget this for now. And let's see the authentication slice. SRC features auth slice. Let's check the profile. I think profile is in the pages. Yeah, profile. App.tsx, main.tsx, and routes maybe. Whoever is watching, please like the stream. And please tell me if my audio is audible today. Practices, social media. front end src. Right now we need both main, just not this main, as well as app.tsx. Or maybe the router. We can get the router here. Routes, app router. Please like the stream. After seeing your code, actually, uh, so the authentication user is a global state, but profile user is a page specific. Redux is having authentication and post, but the profile page is having user profile and also post, of course. This post being local also. Okay. Should I go for Redux? No, not yet. Local state, okay. Okay, okay. Yeah, this makes sense. Okay, so the but yeah, so current user and post is being displayed in multiple pages. So Redux makes sense, but edit profile is only in one page. So it's only in this page. So it doesn't make any sense to make it a global, what do you say, global state. Mm, wait a second. Let me give my own. Wait a second. Let me share it myself in stream ping. Everyone. Since my ping code is not working. Okay. So yeah, let's keep it as it is. Okay. If I make, wait a second, but if I make a, wait. There's a problem. There's a small catch here. Let me see. Yeah. So the user ID, the user name is used everywhere, but we are getting username from the authentication. So that's also the thing. But how about other user profile and username? So yeah, we are using the username and user profile globally. Okay. Sorry, my bad. This is a current user, and all these things that are showing are not current user. These are users. But we are using this here too. Yeah, see, so I have updated it here, but it's not updated here. So we need to refresh to update it here. Yeah, so we are using user globally in navbar, and also in main app. This is our current user. So yeah, we need to make it global. So right now we need to make the user and edit user and everything global in the Redux. So in authentic, I will name it later. I will change the names later because right now it's difficult to remember the structure. I will name it according to my convenience. So this is the procedure. Okay. Profile slice. I need to make a profile slice and also a store. No, no, no. Let's go up. Let me check again in above. Let me ask Gemini. Store, no, definitely we are not going to name it store because we are already having store. Okay, it is correct, I think. Features, it is the convention. Let's go here. Okay, so let's make a new feature now. Let's make a profile feature. Let's make a profile feature. Okay, comment, like, post. Okay, so we're making profile slice, but we are making slice directly. Where's the API? No, small profile slice and profile API. We're gonna make a profile slice and profile API. profile slice store profile. So let's start. So yeah, we have profile slice and profile API, and this is the profile slice. Let's put it here. Let me check the slice interface. Okay, reducer action. Okay, so this is state. So we have set profile, we have update profile, and we have a clear profile for delete, of course. Yes, this is creation, I think. Yeah, user creation is also in reducer now. But how? User creation? Seriously? Yeah, so this is the API. We are calling it from the backend. So we are getting the API from here, and for update, we are putting it from here. So wait a second. We are getting get and update. Wait a second. Why is this set profile here? Because set profile is done in during authentication, I think. Or am I wrong? Okay, let's open the store. Inside the store, we are having two more reducer. Wait a second, I have repeated it. Sorry, one more reducer. Sorry, profile reducer. Yeah. We are adding the profile reducer here in the name of profile. So let's open the profile now. Where is the profile? In the pages, I think. Components, API app, user features. Let's say a profile page. So inside the profile page, we need to use dispatch now instead of directly importing a state here. So right now we are not using state, we are using global state instead of local state in the edit profile option basically. So profile, yeah. So this was for the local state. Let's remove this because now we will be playing in global. We have to import all this. It is already imported. Let me check. By the way, what's the point of using state here? Wait a second. Okay, okay. Wait a minute. Yo, Thorfinn. Thorfinn, join the Discord, bro. And like the video. Okay, so let me first redo it. So here we are using set post. Why are we using set post? Let me see. Maybe for fetching all the post. Say we are using set post just for fetching. Can we directly fetch it from the Redux? I should check. Before that, let's remove this. Let's comment it out. Or maybe we can remove this because we are no longer using it. Okay, and now let's use dispatch. Profile user, where is the profile user? Profile user. Yeah, I'm great, man. How are you, Griffith? Sorry, Thorfinn. You can join the community, Thorfinn, from the pinned comment. By the way, if I check exclamation DC, will it work? Let me check. Yeah, it's working. You can join the Discord channel. So yeah, here the name is wrong, I think. Yeah, sure. Nowadays, are you making any project, Thorfinn? It's suggesting me this. So yeah, I want this. Uh, okay, let's make this now. Let's make a dispatch first. So inside the profile, let's call the dispatch. Use dispatch. I cannot use dispatch because it's not imported. So let's import it first. These are the things we need to import. Why it's importing extra things. Uh, yeah. Yeah, okay. So we are importing all those things. Oh, it's suggesting me automatically a chess engine. Nice. Using AI? I mean, are you building the AI? I think chess engine means AI only. There is no other definition. So how are you making it? Because chess engines are existing long before AI, I think. So how to make a chess engine? Is it some kind of algorithm that recognizes pattern? Nah, man, I hate coding using AI. No. I was asking, have you made a AI system like that for code, chess engine? Gate profile. Wait a second. Right now I have used AI and clicked OK, and AI have made changes in my code and I don't know what it changed. So I need to Control Z. Okay, let's use this. Paste it here. Okay. Okay, so this is what AI was suggesting me, that I need to use dispatch. Wait a second first. Yeah, I have called dispatch. I have made. No, I haven't made it. Let's made the user first. Wait. Okay, no, we have to delete this line. Sorry. Add Redux state dispatch. Okay, that's this one. This is the Redux state, I think. Yeah. So profile user, select a state, any state. Okay. So you are using a profile user. What? Set profile user. Is this set profile? Yeah, inside the Redux, I think. Let me check the Redux again. Features, profile. By the way, Griffith, Thorfinn, I was curious about your project that you were telling me a few days ago about the data migration project from one database to another. What are the tools that you have used, and what is the AI model that you have used? For example, in GitHub, you can use Git actions to do things inside GitHub. So for data migration, what are tools that you have used? And also tell me the model that you have used, AI model. And if you are migrating data, so that means it's not RAG, right? Are you using RAG inside that agentic workflow? So what is the reducer here? Uh, Profile, right? Yeah, profile slice. So these are all the reducers inside the profile slice. Set profile, update, and clear. Okay. Let me check it again. Inside the profile, yeah. Current, yeah, const response equal to await API dot get user ID. Yeah, I'm using this. Yeah, okay. Okay, so instead of wait a second, but this is not same. How is it not same? Const await response. Okay, we don't need the response function now. We can directly call it from get profile. So we can directly call get profile here. RAG pipeline for documentation and schema understanding. Okay, okay. Quadrant and vector DB. Quadrant vector DB. Yeah. How to use quadrant? I have never used quadrant. I have used chroma DB only. Can you tell me like what's the specialty about quadrant? Because I can use PG vectors too. If I use do you know Neon or something like that? There's a database Neon where we can both use Postgres and PG vector. So why to use a quadrant instead of that? I mean, why is quadrant a good choice? Okay, so we are getting the data. We need to change data. Yeah, data dot username. I think we don't need the response now. Yeah, because the data contains everything now. Data. Okay. Where is the yeah? So dispatch. Okay. 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 Optimized for semantic search and provides fast vector similarities with metadata filtering, and it's self-hosted. Okay, that's a nice thing. Open source. Whoa, open source and self-hosted. I never knew that. I will use Quadrant, I think, in my next project. By the way, in your project, or in your upcoming project, are you thinking of implementing hybrid search, both like semantic search and keyword searching, like BM25 or something like that, the mixture of both? Because sometimes semantic searching may not work. You need a specific keyword to search something sometimes. So a mix of both may perform, may outperform any one of them. Which AI model do you use, by the way? I only use Gemini free model, Flash. I've never tried Olama. I think I may try Olama in future, or maybe there are some ways to get the OpenAI API for free. I may try that one. Okay, wait a second. Wait a second. I'm lost. Response. Mm, ha- Handle save. Where's the handle save? Yeah, it is the handle save. Yeah, we are not calling the response. We are calling. Wait a second. Set profile. Okay. No. Okay. Okay. This makes sense. Yeah. Yeah. Everybody is using Flash. I wish there were more API keys, more free API keys. For example, Claude can also make some old models API keys free. By the way, for database migration, which tool are you using? Like, how are you migrating data from one place to another? What is the tool? Is your project what do you say, open, like public? If it's public, you can share it in, like, not, don't share it right now. Uh, but if I ask someday, you may share it if it's public. I want to see your workflow. Again, what's the problem? Yeah, dispatch set is edit. Is editing? Are we even using is editing? False. When is editing true? Uh, Let me check. When is editing true? Control F. Let me search. Okay. Okay. When we click on edit button, of course, obviously. Yeah, why is it? Handle save, yeah. Dispatch, yeah. Updated user, okay. User, oh, come on. Update auth user to profile finder, auth user. What? Add import after this. What do you mean by update auth user? What is the authentication of user? The system migrates data using an ETL pipeline, extracting data from the source database, transforming into the targeted formula with AI assisted schema mapping and loading it into a new database. Okay. So for example, if the data is in NoSQL like MongoDB, so if we are migrating it to a SQL, so we need to make those tables, right? It's not even in GitHub. If you are open to show, you can what do you say, update it in GitHub, so that other peoples can also see your workflow and they may get inspired from you. They may help you in developing some bugs or some features. I want to check your workflow, how the NoSQL database is getting converted to SQL, where we need to create a table first. So is it executing SQL commands to create a table? Yeah, sure. Tell me that logic, like how is a NoSQL database, object-based database, is converting to a tabular database? Auth.user. What is auth.user? What? Yeah, yeah, yeah. We have authentication. So let's open the authentication in the Redux. There is authentication, I think. Profile user. Let me check the profile user. Yeah. So we are calling the profile. Instead of calling the profile, we can call it from the authentication. Wait a second. Authentication user. Okay. By the way, I met one more guy yesterday or day before yesterday, I think. He was also learning same stack as me, Python fast API backend and React frontend. So he is also focusing on backend logic mainly. It runs read queries to understand the database structure and data, and then generates SQL schema and migration scripts. Okay, so nice. It's doing a lot of things. So you are using LangGraph. Have you used something like Creo AI or Llama Index, I think? Or are you using LangGraph as a standard? I personally have used LangChain and LangGraph, but my project was so simple that LangGraph was not even necessary. Yeah, you are using a LangGraph. So why are you told yeah? Yeah, what? So I have made it authentication user, auth.user, profile user authentication. But is it necessary? Let me check it once again. Yeah, it is necessary, I think. Uh, no, 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 it is wrong. Sorry. My bad. This one is correct, I think, because now it's making I have a global state of profile right now. Current users should be state auth, and using a LangChain and LangGraph. Nice. Have you processed any structural document like a PDF and doc and Excel that have structures like tables and images and diagrams? Why the structure is wrong? Set. I didn't get it. What is saying? You need to keep this or change this. Profile user. Current user is we are getting current user from authentication, and we are getting profile user from what do you say? Profile Redux. Okay. By the way, I have a project in mind. I will make a in my Discord server. There is an option of giving project ideas and startup ideas. I will fix all this and add few ideas myself first. You can also add ideas here. Any project you are working or any feature, like it's not necessary to give a complete project. You can add features here, like small feature. A feature can be a project tool. So right now I am thinking of making a PR request reviewing, not only reviewing, like PR request filtering and reviewing AI agent. The agent will see all the PR request and use that code base as, what do you say, retrieve the code base, retrieve from the code base, and if the PR is really useless, it will filter it out, and if the PR is useful, it will make a summary, create a summary, so that the admin who is checking the PR, yeah, it will be easier for him to understand, and all the unnecessary PRs will be deleted automatically. There are a lot of people in India, especially India, who raise PRs in international repos for no reason. Like they just write their name, comment their name, and raise a PR request. PR, what is a pull request? So it can potentially clear out all the pull requests. And there are some people who write malicious things inside pull requests. So it will also understand all those malicious things and remove those lines, or maybe something like that, or completely remove the PR if it's too malicious. So I'm thinking to build that project after this. This is just a basic project. I will deploy it so that you guys can also check how it's working. The repository link is in the description. You can check it out. It's very basic, by the way. You can use this for learning. This is not a full-fledged application. This is just for learning. So yeah, I have made Redux for everything. After dispatch, there is a dispatch, a user update user. Where is dispatch update user? It doesn't even exist. There might be some issue. Wait a second. Dispatch update user. There is no dispatch update user, but there should be. I have done some mistake, I think. response. Instead of response, yeah, we have made update user. So let's check the update user. Yeah, this is the update user. Dispatch. Okay, so we forgot to dispatch it, I think. No, we are dispatching it. Damn nice, man. Thank you, man. Thank you. Dispatch update profile. I'm currently building a SSH based portfolio where visitors can connect through a terminal and explore my project skills and experience using commands. Okay, it designs to provide a unique design. Okay, so you're making a command line interface for your portfolio. By the way, are you into game development? I know two peoples, I think. Yeah, two people who are into game development. They use Godot, which is open source, a replacement of I think Unity. Because if you make games in Unity, after your game earn a certain revenue, you need to pay them, pay Unity. But Godot is completely free. It's open source. Okay, nice, nice. So you are making a command line interface. So you will define the commands, or how will the commands work? You will make a command list. What is the I again forgot? Yeah, after dispatch. Okay. Yeah, we can add this. After dispatching the updated user, we can return this. But set user is not even where is the set user? What? We are importing set user from auth slice. Okay, it's okay. Kind of like that. I will. There will be a fake shell env and predefined commands. Yeah. So you want to make the people's life harder if they want to see your portfolio. By the way, if I am, tell me if I am audible properly. Like, is there some problem in my audio or it's perfect? Today I have used some filters in my audio, so there must be some changes here in my audio. Okay, so let's change it. 1, 2, 3, save. Yeah, it's changed. Wow. Champion. Okay. Hello, Tyrwai. How are you? Now, man, it's just SSH into portfolio system, and you will be able to see my portfolio. Nice, nice. By the way, if you can make a SSH SSH, you can make some solutions out of it. For example, Cloud Code or something like that. I mean, Cloud Code is already there. You can make some different solutions, command line based solutions. 4 people are watching the stream. Oh, I have cold and runny nose today. Oh, take rest, Tarvai. Having a cold in during the summer days is really messed up. You can't even turn on the fan. Okay, so we got a issue here. It's not displaying the gaps. Whoever is watching, please like the stream. And you can also comment here. I'm here to reply you. Please comment in live chat. Yes, I'm resting. Maybe AC was too much last night. Wow. You guys have AC in your home. I don't even have AC in my gym. Okay. So we can reuse this logic in the update. What do you say? Update post. Wait a second. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. If we write 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, it's changing in real time. But you have a AC in your heart. What do you mean AC in your heart? A few minutes ago, I got all-time high 4 watching somehow. Yeah, yeah. I mean, you are cool. Thank you, Tairwai. Thorfinn, are you there? Why don't you wear black sunglasses? Come on, bro. This is not sunglass. I have number. My number is not that much high, but I have number due to too much screen time. By the way, Tairwai, please confirm if my audio is little different today, or if it's better or it's worse than yesterday or other streams. Are you getting the blue noise like that? Are you getting blue noise today? Because I've watched my previous streams. There was a lot of blowing noise in my microphone. Is there blowing noise today too in my microphone? Yeah, because I have kept my mic near my chin today, so the air is going here, so there is no more uh, what do you say blowing now noise. And also I have increased the output gain. You can also add a filter here, a gain filter. I have added maximum gain, so my voice will be quite high. You can also try this one, gain filter. This will increase your output, audio input, audio output, I mean. So yeah, I have edited the user. Let's push it in backend maybe. Sorry, in GitHub. There are also other filters here. You can check it out. I'm using noise suppression filter. This is a AI noise, I think, RNN noise using good quality. So it uses more CPU, but it's okay, I think. And also compressor. Yeah, you can learn the compressor from YouTube. The main thing is threshold. If you keep threshold low, so if I shout, my shouting noise will not reach you because the threshold is less. So even if I shout, the noise will be same. So everything is like that, and output gain is for the voice, for whispering. So yeah, user profile can be edited in real time. So let's edit. Git add. No, yeah, git add. Is this a feature or a fix? I don't know. Let's write addition or maybe change. Made the user profile. Git push origin. Tarvai, do you have knowledge about databases? Do you know SQL and NoSQL databases difference? How how will you know, by the way? You are a dietitian. Your field is different. से जा रहा है ये सब मेरे सर के ऊपर से जा रहा है नो वरीज नो वरीज so this is a basic social media application here we can log in. This is a username. We have logged in. We can create a post. So this is a create post section. Here we can choose any file, for example this, and then we can write day 3 coding and we can post here. Once we done the post will be updated in the feed. Here we can also edit the post. We can choose some different file, day 6, and also write day 6 coding. And what is the save? If you click save, it will be changed. Wait a second, it changed in real time. How? Yeah, my diet is trash, man. Yeah, me too. We are basically carbs maxing in India. All we eat is carbs. By the way, this thing updated in real time. I don't know how. The feature was not there. If I save, what? No, oh no, it's global. I think I have for the post. See, I have made global reducers for the post, set post and add post and update post. Everything is global. How is it happening? Earlier it was not updating locally. What? GPT has done something, no? I was editing the profile right now. I was editing the profile because the profile was local state. I made the profile global state because we are using profile in multiple places, like in navigation bar and also in post. If I this is my post, so this is my profile, right? So if I click here, this will open my profile. Also the navigation bar will open my profile. So I made the profile global state right now. I think I have copy pasted some code and I don't know, maybe. Or maybe there are many suggestions here. If I click those suggestions, AI will automatically change the code. So maybe I have done this and I forgot. So this is the postcard, dispatch, preview image. See, this is only changing the preview image. Comedians on board. Comedians on board. For example, like, is this a channel name? Yo, it's Samay's game. Gotta go. Okay, okay. I got it. I got it. I got the reference. So Samay Raina is playing right now. Who are the opponents? Abhishek Upmanyu. He is streaming on his stream. Okay. Samay Raina versus who? Zakir Khan. Prakhar. Prakhar. I don't know Prakhar. Hey, it's nice. Do you play chess, Thorfinn? Or are you just a fan of Samay Raina? Prakhar means that podcaster. Do you have some ELO? What's your ELO? Prakhar podcasters. Is he a comedian now? I thought he was a, what do you say, Navjot Singh Sidhu replacement. My yellow is trash. What's your yellow? By the way, for your information, my yellow is 0 because I have no account. 800 to 850. I think it's a good yellow. It's a good yellow. You can flex. Okay, bro. See you soon. 6:31. What? Anyways, so all the issues are being resolved. One issue is resolved automatically. I don't know how, and the other issue I have resolved it myself using ChatGPT. Yeah, it's real time. So let's figure out what to add. So I'm out of ideas right now. I think yeah, we can add a profile, user profile. Yeah, yeah. So let's generate a dummy, or let's download a dummy profile first. Yeah, something like that. Um, oh, it's like this. I want PNG. Yeah, this one looks good. And the circular one, circular, but this is a whole cube. PNG. By the way, whoever is watching, please like the stream and also come to the comment live. Can Gemini generate an image for me? Unsaved, what do you say? Unsaved profile? It should be circular. Okay. Will ChatGPT, sorry, Gemini generate a circle PNG? It should be circle in shape. Generate circle PNG. Can Gemini give a circle? I don't think so. I have an idea. For example, this looks good. If I download this, here, no, here, and pasting doesn't work. But let's save it. Download. Now let's remove BG. No, PNG maker maybe. Let's upload image. Yeah, this one. Okay, so PNG is already done, I think. Download. Yeah, low quality is okay. User profile. Let's name it dummy profile. Let me check. Yeah, so it's in circular. Okay, so I forgot. Yeah, I can add. Hmm, do I even need that image, by the way? I'm confused how to start. Let's put that image somewhere in the backend. No, no, no. We can put it in front end. If there is no image that is received from the backend, then we can put that image in front end. Okay, so let's ignore the dummy image for now. Let's develop the logic first, and in front end I will use a all logic and paste the link there. So if the image is not present, it will show the dummy image. Normal local profile user state, everything. Let's leave it. Create a profile. So okay, now let's create a profile pic feature. Navbar and what do you say? Profile page. Yeah. Let's first apply that logic in the navbar and profile page. After that, we will integrate it in post too, which will be easier. Okay. So profile picture, it's such a big name. No worries, let's take it. We are taking text as a profile picture. By the way, what's the difference between text and string? I still don't know. In backend, in models, user model, let's add a profile picture, and then bio. Yeah. So we are adding a profile picture in the backend. Okay, we need to open the backend database because the what do you say? The table is the column is missing. pgadmin. So we need to create the column. I wish Thorpian was there because this is the issue here. We cannot directly create a table. We need to make manually do it if we want to exceed one extra column in SQL. But in NoSQL, there is no limit. We can add anything at any time. Server, um, social media. Inside the social media query tool, let's open the query. Let's paste the query. Let's run the query. I have created. Let's see how to check. I forgot how to check. Should I even check? What's the point of checking? I already know because there's a confirmation here, so no point of checking. Okay, so let's make a schema. Add this in inside user response users. No, this is route user response email bio and now a profile pic. And there's one more doubt here. I don't know about this none equal to none. What's the meaning of this? This means it will allow null. User update, yeah. We need to user update, yeah. Let's keep the profile above bio, yeah. Route, let's open the routes. User route. Inside update profile, yeah, this is update profile. Okay, so we have one more logic. Yeah, if a user data profile is not none, is this necessary? We check the DC once. Uh, oh, indentation is wrong, of course. What? Invalid syntax. What? It's inside update profile. It's telling me to add this, and I am adding this. I think yeah. There might be a problem. Oh no, no. Wait a second. The syntax is a bit confusing. Mm, Yeah, this should be above. Yeah, DB session and everything. Yeah. Okay. I can remember now. There's a comma. Yeah, there's a comma. Still invalid. What? User data. Yeah, inside this. How to add a if function inside a function? What's the point of even this line? If a profile picture is not none, if it's none, we still should be changing it. It's so confusing, and it's also showing an error here. I don't know how to fix it. I don't want to break my code. Let's check the front end part. So the if it exist, if the profile picture exists, current profile picture, but this logic is pointless. I think let's remove this logic. Let's comment this logic out. It's pointless logic. Still, there's a error. Oh, sorry. The error is different. Why is it suggesting me to comment this? I don't know. Come on. Stop suggesting me. Stop suggesting me. You got a profile index. Okay, I got the issue here. I got the issue. Right. So we are getting current user here and we are using it above. So that's the issue here. Yeah. Yeah. Again, there's an issue. Okay. Mm-hmm. Let's deal with it later. I think yeah, I got the issue here. Yeah, I got the issue here. This is this should be here. I got the issue. Sorry, there was a mistake. So yeah. Okay. So we are updating the profile picture, current bio, and user bio. But if it's not none, what's the point of say checking it's not none? Because everything is none right now. Technically, everything is none right now. So Let's forget it. We will check this later. Profile API. Let's open the front end. Profile API. Profile. Yeah, profile API. Change the update profile function. We only need to add something. I think there's no point of changing it. Yeah, we just need to add the profile picture here. Okay. Open the profile.tsx. Let's open it from here. Near username, set username. Yeah. Let's add profile picture and uh, select file. And also set preview. I can also add a set preview, but let's forget this. Preview important? I don't even know. Later I will add a zooming feature. It's not zooming, what do you say? Cropping feature. We can, so that people can crop the profile image inside the fetch profile. No, set profile of fetch profile. Okay, inside the there's a set profile, I think. Yeah, set profile. Yeah. Yeah, I have added it. Upload handler. Where is the upload handler? Handle picture change. Okay. Picture change. Where is the picture change? Let me search it. I forgot where it is. It doesn't exist. Oh, we need to add it, of course. Profile. Wait a second. Fetching the post. Upload handler. Yeah, will be the upload handler. But where? Yeah, this will fetch the profile. After that, let's make upload handler. Yeah, handle save. Okay, handle save. The name is handle save. That's confusing. Uh, Handle like toggle. Above like toggle maybe. By the way, where is the button? The button is not defined yet. We will define it later. Uh, Save function. Update a save function. Where's the save? Handle save. Let image URL be profile picture. Okay. Are we going to what's the point of writing everything? The same thing. That's why writing 2 times. We are calling it. What? Then what is profile picture? Wait a second, wait a second. Okay, it's a completely different thing. Let me check if a selected file. Okay, same. Okay. So this is what we have added in right now. And why are we writing it two times? Like, what's profile picture image URL? I'm a bit confused. I think because of the picker maybe. Update updated user. Okay, there's an updated user function. Yeah. That's what we have updated. But why it's profile picture dot? This is a little confusing. Okay, let's check the what do you say? We have never used profile picture change. No, we haven't even made the profile picture. So uh, this is the code, I think. Image. Where's the image? But where will be the image? Is editing. Set username. Okay, so what? On change? No, this is different. Sorry, this is different. This is confusing now. Whoever is in the stream, please like the stream. The structure is getting more and more messy because we are adding more and more features. So I need to add comments now. So this is handle profile picture and we're using an image. Okay. Okay. So this is editing, I think. Editing bar. Yeah, this is editing. But why it's using and logic? The logic is a bit confusing. Manish didn't came today. So what to change here? Above username, we can add this. Yeah. Where's the username, by the way? Username, yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Edit profile. Okay. So this enables editing and we enter here. So this logic is, I don't think this is good logic. So let's add the image here. Yeah. There's some issue. Yeah, image is maybe not defined. So let's call image. Yeah. Okay. SRC will be profile picture. All else, this thing, this weird thing. Username. Okay. This is also a good logic. I think this is even better logic. It will create the username according to the user profile name. The user profile picture according to the user profile name. This is even better logic. Is editing. What is editing? This is completely flawed logic. Yeah, this is the editing area. So bio, above bio maybe, or maybe above username too. There'll be image, then username, and then bio. Yeah, so this looks better. What? Username display. Again, we need to change it. I don't know why. Replace the user name display with this. Why? This looks fine. But flex doesn't even exist. Text username, yeah. Heading, yeah. Username is using heading. By the way, we are using profile user. Why it's calling user? From the authentication, maybe? Should we use a profile user? Is the profile from the authentication? I have to check it again. Let me test it first. This might work. Yeah, it's working. Edit. And by the way, my name was US. So yeah, username. So it's like taking the US. If I put this and save and reload, yeah. So it is updating. Of course, it's not reloading, but if everything else is reloading, why it's not reloading itself? Where is it coming from? Are we not even using the reducer? We haven't updated the reducer. That's the problem. This is changing locally. But changing locally should also refresh. Maybe the logic is missing here. Let me check. What is user? I am quite confused about the user. What is user here? Why is the user defined? We are defining the profile user, but we are not defining user. Auth dot user, but this is a different thing. Current user and profile user. Current user and profile user. What? Why are you making profile user? I don't know. A user doesn't even exist. It's okay. So let me check the handle profile picture first. It's a function. Such a small function. Handle profile picture change. Everything should change together. Yeah, handle save. Yeah. The code looks quite messed up. I'm quite confused. I have many doubts here. Let's start with this one. Okay, sorry. We are not showing the image itself. Okay, sorry. We are storing the image in the image URL, which is the uploads, I think. Uploads, yeah. Okay, I forgot it. Let me check if there's some mistake here or not. The picture won't update immediately after save. You do, but you never update it. What? Okay, so uh, let's add this. Set profile picture. Okay, it's APIs. Profile. There's a profile? Yeah. So after the update profile user, is the update profile user handle save. This thing, where is this? What the hell is this? Likes, okay. This is completely different thing. Handle profile picture should be above handle save. Fetching all the post. Why are we making a handle profile picture separately? Image URL equal to profile picture? What? The naming convention is bad. I have to change the name again. Update profile user. So this is handle save, right? No. Fetch profile. Let's completely ignore this. This is the handle profile where we are setting the profile. Okay. Update profile. Who is the update profile? Dispatch updated user. Dispatch update profile user. Yeah. Oh, it's changing set profile picture. Okay. Handle profile picture. Yeah, we don't get any preview right now. So we can change this. Missing dependencies running. Your effect uses dispatch. ID dispatch, okay. Let's add dispatch here too. Yeah. Oh, come on. Where's the image? It's below. Let me check the image. Yeah. So there are multiple conditions, I think. The first condition will be to fetch it from localhost. Okay. But why it's not fetching the profile pictures? Okay, okay, okay. Oh, yeah, we can use all three of this. Yeah. Why is the design? It forgot the design. Uh, okay. So it's either returning profile picture or this or this. Depend on how backend or server reacts. There's a local state. Local state. A local state not profile picture. Oh, okay. So the global state is inside the user. We are displaying the profile picture. We can display it directly. What's the problem? So this is the local state. This is the global state, and this is the, what do you say? Mm, the if there is nothing in the profile picture, this will appear. There's a small issue here. Yeah, we have profile user, which should. So it's a temporary fix. This is not a proper solution here. What? What happened? What happened? Uh, Wait a second. Uh, right, but there are two different state involved. Backend state, profile upload. Okay, this is live in backend API. Redux, yeah, Redux. This inside this, we have the backend state. Unsaved edit. Who needs the unsaved edit? I am little bit confused here. Should I keep the unsaved edit? Click it, close the image, click save, upload image and profile updated. Okay. This is the profile, which is completely messed up. Since you are deciding no preview state remove, Okay. Let's get a full profile.tsx. What's the issue here? Truth for profile picture, upload profile picture, updated username, bio, update Redux auth user. Okay. Keep your post and like sync. Okay. Okay, so I'm using this now. Let's refresh. What is the issue here right now? What is the SRC now? Let's open the profile. SRC of the image. Again, this garbage SRC. Why the SRC is always garbage? This means nothing. Profile user. Yeah, this one is correct. Yeah. Why will I use this? This is useless. Uh, Directly calling the image from the backend might be bad idea. Yeah, I knew it. The whole issue was I was directly calling the image from the backend, so the SRC alone created all the problem. Okay, so this is done. It should be shown here. Let's make a commit. Uh, what is a feature? User edit user profile. Edit user profile. Editable user profile. More like editable, na? Editable. Or you can say changeable user profile. And then let's do git push. Let's push the code. By the way, are we pushing the uploads? If we are pushing the uploads, this might be a bad design. Let me check. Where's the GitHub? No, not this one. Where's my GitHub? Let's check the backend uploads. So we are pushing everything, every image. Why are there multiple image? I don't know. Let me check the uploads once again. There are multiple images. There should be very less images. I don't know why. There are multiple. Code, practice, social media, backend, frontend, frontend. No, sorry, backend. Uploads. Yeah, these are all the images I have uploaded. If I delete all this, I don't know what will happen. And there should be a manual deletion of image. So yeah, this can be a feature, because if I change the image, there is no point of keeping all those image in uploads. And also, I'm going to add the uploads folder in get ignore. Okay, let's add uploads and get ignore by pushing unnecessary things in the backend. Uh, how to how to remove this? Is there a way? Whoever is watching, please like the stream. Let's add the get ignore. Uh, I think directly. Oh, not this one. Yeah, we can add this directly. Yeah. So this will ignore the uploads for now. Whoever is watching, please come to the chat. We can chat. Okay, so we can do this. Okay, okay. Okay. So now we will not track. There in other commits. In past commits, will get be there in past commits. Okay. Okay, we will do this later. Please like the stream, guys. Okay, so the edit image option is working now. Save. Okay, so it is working. So let's do the auto cleaning part maybe. Or is there some more things that are left? Yeah, we can display the user in both navigation bar as well as in the post itself, and also comment. Yeah, we can display the user profile in comment. By the way, if I open a comment, is it working? Okay, there's one more thing left. The username in the comments are not clickable, so we cannot open the user profile in the from the comments. Let's change it because I might forget it. User one, yeah. Okay, so if I change this, this is not changing automatically. So few more logics needs to be there. So let's take a quick break. I'll be back soon. Okay, so we are back again. Wait a minute. Okay, so let's continue. This is the back end and this is the front end. Okay, so there are too many issues here right now. The first issue is the navigation bar and the profile page is using the global state, but the post is not using it. So if we edit it, if we say 1 2 and save it, then it will change in the navigation bar and here, but not change in the post, because I think post is taking users, not taking live users, or what do you say, global state of users. So there are many issues here. This is one of the issue, and there are even more issues like I think yeah, in the comments there's a comment. Yeah, we cannot click the user in the comments, so we need to add all the user in the comments. So let's add users in the comment first, and then we will fix the issue. So let's open the comment card. By the way, comments up are being uploaded locally. They are not been used globally. So we can shift the comments globally. Should we? Shouldn't we? I think nah, we don't need comments globally. Let the comments stay local for now, at least. Okay, let's open the comment card. So uh, this is where all the comments are being shown. And parallelly, we need one more card. Let me close all this first. So parallelly, maybe navigation bar. Let's open the navigation bar because it will be easiest to understand. Main and nav bar. Okay. So inside the nav bar, yeah, we are using this. No, no, not this. Yeah. Profile user ID. And where are we calling it from? User ID. Where are we getting a user ID? You are getting user from here. Okay. So let's copy this. Let's put it here inside the comments. Where's the comment starting, by the way? This interface. Okay, comment. Let's add it here. Are we even importing it? Current user. No, we need a user, not current user. Are we even uploading how to get a user? Okay, so we are getting all the users from authentication, but how is it possible? Okay, sorry. There's a problem. The navigation bar is only showing the current user, so we need to change this and open the postcard. Yeah, postcard will be more reasonable. But let's open post. Yeah, this is the postcard. Yeah. So link to profile post.user.id. Okay. So posts are connected to comments, I think. And I mean, comments are connected to the post. So we can use this. Use the post. Wait a minute. Let me check. Current user. What is it using? We can copy this, by the way. First remove this. We don't need this. And then instead of comments, okay, comment also have username. So can we directly use this? Like instead of a post, can we directly see comments? Because comments are also linked with the user. And link, we need to import the link. And no, it's in, yeah, let's import link. So will it work? Let me check. So let's refresh it. Let's see a comment. User. Okay, so the comment user is not working. We cannot call the, we can say check the current comment user. By the way, I have done one mistake. Let me uh, correct it first. Wait a second. Control Y. Control X. Put it here and remove this. Why the comment user ID is not matching with the profile? I don't know. It should match, I think. Let me check it again. Let's reload. It's not opening. But if I click this one, oh, sorry. It is opening. It is opening. Let me check again. Yeah, let's open a comment. Let's click here. Yeah, it's opening. Previously, it was not opening because we're in the same user page. So we need to go back and then do it again. Then click it and it will open the user profile. So yeah, we can access user ID from comments directly. So it's a minor thing. It's not a big deal. Should I do a commit? Let's do a commit. Or should I skip the commit part? Let's do it because it's a minor thing, but I can check the commits so that uh, what do you say? If I want to revise everything, I can check all my commits. Uh, Add, or you could say, what do you say? Add or update, something like that. Added clickable commit. Clickable username in comment. Get push. It's a small change, but still, if I mix this change with something else, then it will be difficult to understand. So I'm making a separate commit for it. By the way, if you are pushing something in GitHub, does the number of lines matter or number of push matter or both matters? I think the size matters definitely. How many lines of code we are pushing, that definitely matters. I don't know why I feel like there's one guy who kept my stream in what do you say, watching, but he's not watching my stream. It's okay. I'm getting views. Wait a minute. Yeah. Okay, so I have done that minor change here. And can we open some other user? Let me check that too. Open uh, some different user. Wait a second. Wait a second. Wait a second. No, not this. If I open this user and open a comment, suppose this, let's delete this post. It's useless. Okay, so deletion is also not real time. How about edit? Can we edit? No, 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 no. This is completely broken, something like that. What? Okay, let's first edit it. Let's first put some different image here and then save. What? Earlier it was happening, but right now I cannot do it. I don't know why. Few minutes ago it was working, but right now it's not working. How can this be possible? Okay, so if we click delete and then open the post and choose a file, suppose this, and open it and save it, what will happen? What? Delete? It's still there. Delete is not working. Oh, there are so many bugs. Today there are too many bugs. The delete suddenly broke. What it's returning when I write delete? Damn. Maybe I should restart my backend. Let's restart the backend. Maybe the problem is in backend. Okay, now let's check the front end. Everything refresh. I mean, okay, cannot delete the post all of a sudden. So now we need to figure out how to delete the post. Let me check the update post in the backend first. So in the backend, routes upload. Okay, so there was a upload image route. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. This route is for saving the images inside the uploads folder. Where is the uploads folder? Yeah, here. So from FastAPI, okay. API routes, so prefix, upload, router, post, image. Okay. This is not the issue here. The issue is completely different. Routes, user route. No, post route. Get all post by user. Okay. Useless. Update post or delete post. Where's the delete post? Yeah, this is the delete post. So, what's the issue here now? Where's my water bottle? Wait a minute. So I'm back. By the way, let me check my audio. Yeah, audio is all right. Let's open the YouTube dashboard. Let me check analytics. I've got 7.5 hours watch time. Okay, so now there are too many problems here. First, the delete is not working. Second is it's not real time. We need to refresh it to see the changes. So the changes are not real time. And let me check. Let me check for other issues. Yeah, delete is not working. Let's fix the delete first. 500 internal server error. Delete issue is 500. Wait a second. How can delete stop working? Have I deleted the delete of schema? Let me check the schema. Post schema, post update, post create. And why is post delete schema? What? The post delete schema is missing. How can this happen? Like, seriously? Post ID. Do I need a post ID? What is post ID? We are using normal ID. Yeah. So post delete. Are you using the post delete in the route? Let me check the route. Wait a second. Wait a second. Post. Post response. Like you said, post update. So inside the routes, let me check the post update. Yeah, update post. Post update. Updated post. Yeah, post update. So it should be same in delete. No, no, we don't need it in post delete. Post ID. But okay, so it's not needed. We can directly delete it using this. Then why it's not working? Is the command delete working? Let me check. Comment and delete. Yeah, we can delete the comment in real time. So let's match it with comment schema and route. Let's open the comments. Comment. Yeah, this is model. Where is the route? Comment route. Let me delete all. Sorry, remove all this first. There's too much crowd here. Let's open comments route and comments schema. So this is the comment schema, comment update, comment respond. We can only change, okay, there's only string in comment, so yeah, comment create, okay. Let's say the comment route, delete comment. So yeah, the code is pretty much the same. Let's open this, sorry, there may be a problem in the router. Let's close this. Let's open the upload route. Upload or post, I think, post route, yeah. Yeah. So let's see the difference. So this is the delete post and create comment, is the delete comment, get comments of post, okay, update comment and delete comment in the end. Okay. Okay. There's an extra comments. How? Is there no prefix? I shouldn't. No, there are no prefix here. I think I made a mess here. Maybe. Yeah, yeah. There's a prefix here. No, prefix was a dash here, and here the prefix. No, no, there was no prefix. Okay. So you create post. We can directly create post. Okay. Why is this weird? Yeah, yeah. This is the prefix. Okay, I forgot about the prefix. Yeah. So there were no prefix in comments. I can add prefix. Comments. Okay. So the problem is, yeah. So yeah, this will be counterintuitive because we're also using post. We're getting post ID comment. Okay. Comment ID update. Okay. And delete comment ID. Okay. So here everything is post. So this is the post. Okay. Post. Single post. Okay. Deleting the post. Let's check what can be the potential problem here. Post comment a post ID. Okay. Uh, then what's the issue here? My postcard is behaving very weird. I don't know how it is possible. Yeah, these are all the error handling. Not allowed and deleted. Post not found, not allowed. Okay. We got internal server error. By the way, are we catching the error? No. Status code 500. What is the status code 500? It's not even defined. So backend looks perfectly fine. I don't know what the problem is. Maybe in front end. So postcard, yeah, this is the postcard, I think, yeah. One edit post, and if we edit it and write it, it will not change. But if we refresh, where is the demo again? Yeah, it will change. But if we click this, we get error, access denied. Not access denied, it's 500, I think. Failed to load a resource. What? Okay, so the post API can be wrong. Where is the post API, by the way? It's calling post. How are you deleting POSTS? Okay, everything is post. Okay. Router was POSTS. Okay. Post ID. What's the issue? Let me check the same error in backend. Is the error there in backend? Such a big error. There's a 500 server error. And let's give the features. What is the features? Uh, Post, yeah. Post API or post slice? I forgot. Route was in post API, I think. No, post slice. No, post API. Let me recheck it. The issue was in post API, I think. No, post API and post card, of course. Components, post card. So the post card is still not sorted yet. Going to sort it. The backend is perfectly fine. Post has comments. You try to delete post. Database refuses because comment still points. Okay. So this issue was not existing previously. How this issue is happening now? Like previously there was no issue. Open your model. Okay, so we need to make a model again. I mean, change the model again. Open the post model. Inside it, post ID. There's no post ID. Inside comments maybe. Yeah, post ID. Yeah. Foreign key post ID. Change it to post ID UID as. Yeah, this is same for. Yeah. Foreign key post ID on delete cascade. Okay, so yeah, this is the major problem. We are now fixing it. Like model. Okay, so like is also attached with the comment. So into change the like model to. Where is the post ID here? Yeah. Post.id. Yeah, on delete cascade. Okay. Okay. Post model relationship. Show your post model relationship. Where's the relationship? Comments. Yeah. Post model. Yeah. We have a user relationship and likes relationship. Uh, yeah, we are not adding. So now inside post we have user relationship, we have like relationship, and now we also have comment relationship. One is back populates and back ref. Okay. Okay. So let's send. Let's open the backend first. And models like post and comment model. Hello, Tyrwai. Welcome back. I have got 7.5 watch hours already. I took medicine. Yeah. Comment and like. Okay. Wow, you are on your way to monetization. Yeah. I think we need 3,000 or 4,000 watch hours for that. At least a few 1 year at least. And I think if YouTube finds any suspicious watch hours, they deduct those watch hours. So the watch hour number is not fixed. YouTube may deduct it if it finds something suspicious. I found here's a problem. No, there's no dislike option. There's only like and comment option. And you can right now I've also added user profile, so you can choose any profile, for example this, and open, and if you save this, then what? Okay, so the backend is not working. I have shut down the backend, so this will not work for now for a few minutes. Your SQL models are correct now. On late cascade, like changing comments. Something unique in your social media. For now it's nothing unique. I'm building basic features. Uh, to be honest, I'm for this application, I'm in shortage of ideas. Like, what unique can we make for a social media application that doesn't exist? Dislike, yeah, I will add dislike. Dislike is very easy. I've made a like. I can duplicate another like and just change the symbol. Like and dislikes is very easy because it's just tab based. Like we can. This is not working because backend is not working for a few minutes. Let me fix the code first. Okay, what's the problem? Fastest fix deployment project, just in early development, then recreate the table. Okay. Manually alter the constraint. Okay. There are so many things I need to do. I will add a dislike if you want. Right now, there's a problem in the backend because I am continuously changing the structure of the table. So my database broke. I need to rebuild the table again. What do you mean do the same for likes? Drop database, create database again, recreate tables. What the hell? Uh, so it's suggesting me to completely remake the database, delete the previous database and make the database again, which is a very bad practice. Should I fix the database or recreate it? Fixing all these weird things is not good, so let's recreate the database. But if I make a new database, uh, that means all the user info will be gone. So I need to re-enter everything again. Post, like, comment, then delete the post. Yeah, everything is correct. Okay. So let's recreate the database again. And let me check this first. Let's open the post. Who is the post? In backend. I completely broke my database. I don't know how companies add new features daily without breaking the server. This is the relationship comments. There is indentation error. Likes, user, comment and likes. The post is related to user, comment and likes. Yeah, okay. How is it back populates by the way? And let's back populates to post. Okay. I want add. I want to date you option. Okay. So you want to make this Tinder application. For that, we need to make a chat, and I'm going to make chat maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow after fixing all the bugs. 2 in 1, yeah. So tell me how the design, like what do you mean by I want to date you? If I click I want to date you, what will happen? Explain me the scenario. Yeah, I can add the logic where if a girl sends you "I like you" and if you do that back, if both of them mutually does that, then there will be a bingo and you will get the message. But the condition is both of them have to do the same thing. Only then the condition will be met. Yeah, I'm trying to build something in public, and that was suggesting me some hookup application. Instead of this, like we can do something else, like some different idea similar to this. Yeah, see you soon. But the comment model you uploaded, I don't see. Where is the comment model? Relationship post. Okay, so the relationship of post is missing in the comment model. Uh, Okay, I have added this. Okay, so let's shut down the backend. Control C, Control clear, and now let's recreate the database again. Let's open pgadmin, and then let's see our database. Where's the database? Yeah, social media. Let's delete this database. Where is the delete option? Drop. Okay. Let's create one database here. Let's name it social media. Same name. Save it. Social media. Let's see our backend. Let's run it. So it is running. But unfortunately, it's a new database. So all our previous data is lost. Let's open the front end. Let's restart everything. Let's register the user, user1 at the rate gmail.com. Password should be user1. Let's register. Registration is done. Let's open this again somewhere else. Wait a second. Where's the terminal? Where is it running? I forgot the how to run it. And never mind. Let's close the front end. Let's run it again. Let's open it again. Let's put both front ends together. Oh, there's a problem, I think. Both are recognized as same. Okay. Okay, so let's open it here. Yeah, we can register here. User2. Email should be user2 at the gmail.com. Password should be user2. Register. Change your password. The password that you just Data breach. What? Yeah, let's save it. Okay. So let's check real time. Is it working real time or not? Let's choose a file. Let's first check the user profile. Yeah, profile is working fine. We can edit the profile if you want. Yeah, we'll keep this for the user one and user one. I am user one. Save. Okay. Let's go back. Let's post something. Suppose day one. Who is day one? Any day. Day three. It's day three of coding. If we post this, nah, it doesn't load in real time. You like it? Okay. If we reload it, yeah, we need to reload it. No worries. If we comment, nice. Keep going. Even if we comment, the comment is also not real time. We need to refresh it. Okay. And if you click the user, yeah, you can get the user to. If we change the user to bio here, I am user 2 and save it. Nah, bio is also not changing. And if I change the name, uh, user 22, it's changing here, but it's not changing here. It should change here too. So this is the issue. We need to fix it. Okay. And there's one more issue, I think. User one. Let's open the user one. No more issues. Let's go back. And here, let's try to edit image. We can edit it, cancel, delete image. Yeah, we can delete it. Wait a second. We can create a blank post. That's bad, I think. We are creating a blank post. Whoa. Yeah, buddy. Save. Yeah, buddy. I need to refresh it. Okay. User. Okay. If I click here, I will get this. Okay. So pretty much most of the features are done. We need to make it real time so that everything updates in both places without refreshing. And also there are some problems, I think. Let's go here. Let me check here. No. We can edit this. If we edit this, yeah, buddy, and save. Yeah, it changed, but it didn't change here. Now let's go to user profile and change it here. Yes, it's not changing here. I got the issue. The issue is in the, what do you say, profile page. The home page is working fine, but the profile page is not refreshing. So I got the issue that I can fix tomorrow. Or should we fix this today? Let's fix this one more issue today, maybe. Let me check how many comments we have already done. Inside okay. So today we can do one more thing. let's do one more thing. It's not much of a deal. We just need to refresh it. So let's do it. If I edit the image, image or content, this means the backend update is working because the home shows the update, but profile page local state is still okay. Profile.tsx. I don't need a quick fix, by the way. Let's check the profile again. Wait a second. And a front end, src, pages, profile page and home page, as well as post page, src, components, postcard. So let's see where the actual issue is. Okay, home works because I use a Redux post. What? Where's the profile? Why is the profile using local state? Instead of const post with a constant post. Uh, yeah, here is a profile. We are setting the profile locally. So I remove the profile. Okay. So here's all the reducer here. We got the post reducer here. Okay. Then we need to dispatch it, I think. Fetch post. Okay.